I saw a bird today.
What bird?
The tail is like looks like a fan,
Mm.
and then go peep.
Wow.
And when we're outside,
Mm.
it's really
What
cute.
color?
Black,
Black.
brown.
Brown.
I don't know. It's like black, brown, like dark brown, with a little bit of white highlight. It's really cute, and it's like jumping, like hop, 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 and then the tail go beep, beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep. Cute. Really cute bird. Like this big bird was like going really fast while we're driving.
Oh, how does the tail look like? Oh.